Can you deduct your Medicare premiums from your taxes? Well, maybe. You would first have to itemize your deductions. Then they look at your adjusted gross income. This is the same if you're on Medicare, if you're over 65, or for anybody, for young people. Add up everything. How much you paid for your Medicare premiums, how much you paid for your deductibles, your co-pays, for your prescription drugs, chiropractor, acupuncturist, if you go to a holistic doctor. Add all that up for the year. And anything that exceeds 7.5% of your adjusted gross income, you can deduct. So if you make $50,000 this year, that means that 7.5% of it would be $3,750. So you add up all your receipts for the whole year, and they're $4,000. You can't deduct $4,000. You can deduct anything that exceeds $3,750. And that means you could deduct $250 of your expenses. So it's kind of a pain. If you haven't had a really bad year with a lot of expenses, you're probably not going to be able to deduct it. You probably wasted a lot of time. But it is possible. When I had my third daughter, I had a lot of expenses. I already had other children. I saved meticulously. I saved every expense. Now, you cannot include non-prescription drugs. You cannot include your late penalties if you're on Medicare. And you cannot include cosmetic surgery, but there's so many things you can include. You can do a quick Google search. And I added it all up for this big family of 5, and it wasn't worth it. I still couldn't deduct anything. So I'm not trying to dissuade you from saving all your receipts. I'm just telling you that it might not be possible. If it is, it's 7.5% that exceeds your adjusted gross income. To learn more about taxes, I'm not your lady. Talk to your own accountant. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.